Minexa is designed for both worlds, a no-code interface for analysts and a full API for engineers, making it perfect to scrape financial market data quickly and easily. Navigate to your target page on tbank.ru. Whether it's dynamic or filtered, Minexa works directly on the live rendered page. Click the extension, no setup required. Just open it and Minexa immediately gets to work for you. Click the button that says, I'm on the right page, so Minexa can analyze the full page layout and detect how the financial market data is organized before extraction. Minexa automatically detects how to move through all pages, so the navigation will be applied on every future run without extra setup. Pick List Mode for simple rows, or Detail Page Mode for deeper extraction per row, to get exactly the data you need. Click Continue for simple pages, or switch to Advanced Mode when content appears after dropdowns, tabs, or buttons that require interaction first. The section Minexa highlighted is the main container holding your structured commodities and trading data. Confirming this ensures consistent columns across every run. Every data point is mapped precisely. Select columns like ETF names, prices, and volumes to keep extraction accurate and consistent every time. Developers can click the API request button to see exactly what the scraper returns: clean rows, blank values for missing data, and nested arrays preserved perfectly. Validate and complete the configuration to ensure any missing field always appears blank. No guessed or invented data will appear in your dataset. Minexa has detected the next page button automatically. Simply continue if no pagination applies to cover the full dataset without extra steps. Your job is just one click away. Connect Google Sheets here if you want automated results before confirming the setup. Launch Run to start extraction. Missing fields are returned as null, so outputs stay clean and database safe with no guessed values. This entire dataset was produced by a saved scraper in your account. You can run it again at any time via extension or API without retraining. Typical data points include ETF names, prices, volumes, and trading dates, all organized cleanly for analysis or reporting. Click Export to save your data in Excel or JSON formats, both using the same column structure for seamless use across different tools. With Minexa, the web becomes a structured database you can query, automate, and scale, starting with any page you choose, like tbank.ru.